Hello everybody, Lady B here, and I tried to put the camera facing me, but it was way too close up. Anyhow, to complete one of my, I can't say a honeydew job unless I'm talking to me, but I was doing something yesterday, and well, I was trying to repair my lattice bed, and I ran out of screws, I ran out of nails, and I only had a little baby hammer. You know, one of these ladies' hammers that's not very big. So I had to come get me a daddy hammer. But anyhow, I saw a woman in there. She had a mask on, and her little girl had her mask on. And the little girl's mask was just falling off of her. She was just a toddler. So I asked her if she would like to have one mask for her toddler. I said something that will fit her. And I told her to wait outside for me, that I'd get her phone number and I'd give it to her. I said, we can meet somewhere, you pick it up or whatever. I said, I'd just like to see her with one that fit. And I was going to see if she had any more kids, and I was going to give it to her. I came outside after I checked out, and I couldn't find her anywhere. So she said she would, but I don't know, maybe the people in front of me took too long to check out and she gave up. I don't know, but I tried to do my little good deed for today. But all these restaurants you're going to see down through here are closed except for a drive-through. But as of tomorrow, our governor is lifting. Now, I didn't get exactly what he said because I was a little busy and I didn't hear everything, but he said that he's going to lift the stay-at-home order, but said something about a stay healthy at home. I don't know what he was talking about, but from what I understand, West Virginia is still one of the lowest percentages of confirmed cases, and I think we're very last as long as the deaths. But Ohio and Kentucky around here are really far above us. But I need to find out what he's talking about. Not that I'm going to go out, mind you. I will not be going out anywhere. I just had to come over here, and yes, I did wear my gloves and my mask. I bought some N95s years ago, and I had them put up. So I'm not rushing to get out in public and whatever. And I still will wear my mask and my gloves. I think it's kind of early for people to be not wearing them. But you still see people everywhere without masks and gloves. Depends on who you talk to, whether they do any good. But I'm going to do what I can do for myself to stay healthy. After today's trip out, I should be good. I'll have to go to the post office and mail one more boxes of masks out. I've been wearing masks, or making masks. I think if I counted right, I think my total right now is up to 66. So, that's quite a bit. But anyhow, I'm doing part of it as favors for friends. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here. I'm almost home, and sorry about this. It must be really making you dizzy watching it. I'm going over a bridge, so that's why everything looks weird here. But anyhow, I didn't think to look at what this looked like. Okay, we're off the bridge. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here. Y'all stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next video. Y'all take care. Bye.